Empty?
No.
Now you gotta turn it off and reload. Drew?
What?
That's a hard one to do. Try one of the smaller ones. Here.
The broken.
Now pull it back first. Now pull it back first.
Yeah.
It's hard. Strong. This one's here, the best one's for you, buddy. You turn it on.
I was already using it.
Oh. Oh!
One more dart. Don't shoot me yet. So guys, we're gonna be trying to shoot that. And
For some reason they have the glasses on and I don't have any. Prick my eyes. I'm gonna be running around the yard and they're gonna try to get me.
Yeah.
That's for part one. Oh, I can use your glasses. Since I won't be shooting back at you.
yeah,
You need glasses.
I'll be like this then.
Ooh, we can see these have red, orange tint to them. Orangey red tint. You can see better.
So no one's allowed to shoot at my face.
Well, I don't have a weapon. I won't be shooting the Nerf guns back. Two of you stay up here. Give me a little head start.
Okay.
We'll see how it
We're
goes.
gonna do a head start to run away.
Okay.
Or like hide.
I'm gonna walk over here a little further away. How far away should I get?
Probably like over to the pink chair.
Pink tree? That's too far.
Get over to that bush over there. The bush.
I can go right here. I think you guys can't shoot and I'll be fine.
And you're gonna stay there the whole time?
No, I'm gonna run away once you start chasing after me. On your mark. Make sure you turn that on, Drew. Oh, the one down here. Down.
You pull this back.
Drew has the other one.
Drew.
So we're using the old Nerf N Strike, used to be Cameron's. Sophie's is battery operated. Drew's is not, but he's having a hard time. So if you have a battery operated one for him as well.
It's called N Strike.
Just pull the trigger. So again, here I'm going. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! You're gonna be already! First shot! What the? Ah!
Come on,
Ah!
man. What drug is this?
Pull the trigger all the way, Soph. Pull it all the way. You gotta pull it all the way.
Like that?
Yes! Like that! No! Oh! Ah! I'm in the pool!
Ah, damn. Damn. Mine's.
Oh, empty! Empty! I got shot twice.
It wasn't there. Mine got jammed.
I got fooled with some fake jams. They come after me again. Run.
I just see that arm.
She's reloading. Reloading. I got shot once. Twice. Drew doesn't know what he's doing. He looks scary though. You coming at us? You gotta load it back up. Oh, is it? Keep pushing the button, then full pulls. Sophie's jammed. Oh!
And go.
Hey, Drew, you're in charge. Run around. Drew, look behind you. Turn, look at us. Look at us. Are you ready? Can you see us?
Yeah.
Are you gonna run from us?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I hit him!
Sorry. Here it comes.
I'm scared. You go get my glasses. Is our glasses show? One more pair. Good. Good. My glasses. They're good. This is me. Whoa, when it's on. Guys, it might just be looking at the ground the whole time. So yeah, I was just checking to see if you guys were on. And yeah, I need stands over here. Too scared. Okay, guys, standing. Can't see you guys. Zoom you guys in a little. Sorry guys, I just need to fix my hair. Drew, get out of the way.
You ready, Sophie? Are you ready?
Yep.
Go ahead, Drew.
I can see. Okay, guys, go back there. All the way back. More, Drew. More. No fair. Look at my dad. He gets, here, let me zoom in. Gets double the ammo. This is good. You guys can't be that close.
No.
No, I'm not. Drew! That's not fair! He's really close!